Hello friends, today we will take a look in how to replace the battery of a Philips trimmer, and you can use this strategy for another trimmer as well, because generally it will have a same battery. So as you can see, I am having a trimmer. Please like, share and subscribe this video and click on the bell icon as well. As you can see, this is a Philips trimmer, and let's open it, detach this head as well, like that. So now you can see it is opened, and you can see this line as well. So we will what we will do, we will pull it out from that side like this. We will do somewhat hard effort. So as you can see now, I have detached this. So how you have to detach first? Start pushing it out from this side, and then slowly from any tool from this side you can push it out. Let me show you how you can push it out. You can use any screwdriver type thing. Let me show you. Here is a screwdriver. So when it was locked, so like that, so what you have to do, from the top, don't do it from the bottom. From the bottom there is this one. So this is a inlet for electricity, so it may damage. So do from the top, okay, like that. In the gap, first of all stretch it a bit, and from the gap produce, so do unlocking. Starts from top, from that side, from both the sides, and it's easy to open that, not that much hard. So now this is a rechargeable battery, and there is an orange cell. Now we will remove that orange cell and place a new one, rechargeable AAA battery. And there are many brands available in the market like Duracell, Panasonic, Eveready. So I have purchased a Duracell, since the charge holding capacity of Duracell is good. Let me show you how it looks like. So this is a pack of Duracell, and this is the one I have removed here from this one. As you can see, it lasts for 3 years, and here the charge is also written 750 mAh. In Panasonic it is 700 mAh, and in Eveready it is 600 mAh. So this one is a good one, and here you can see it is written like it will last for up to 49 hours, and up to 367 pictures you can store it. So this is a good thing about this. And let me show you the working as well. So this one is a positive side, and the bottom one is a negative one. So let's attach the two, and make sure that it is switched on. So this is for testing purpose, and later on we will solder it out. So as you can see, it starts working fine. Here, as I am pressing this, attaching this, it is working fine. So now as you can see, we have soldered this using a soldering iron, and now it's working perfectly fine. So let me, so one more thing, there is an adhesive kind of rubber in this one. So I am placing this here so that it can firmly placed, and that section will not move, like this. So we are almost done. So I'm just closing this right now, and hope all is well. So I'm first of all, like we did earlier as well, so first of all I will close this from bottom here. That's it. Yes, here we go. And now the trimmer is ready. working perfectly fine. Let's attach that head as well. Now Nutrimon is ready to use. Thanks for watching.